Alright, well, welcome to Dev Log number 3 for Acheron Raiders United. So we have a really great one lined up here today, and if you're wondering why the hell I already have another log if it's only been like 2 days since the last one, that's because I got the momentum of a freaking train. Anyways, uh, so today we have 12 different AI Acherites lined up in this little spawn area. They're a little condensed, but they'll be fine. And anyways, the main objective here is going to be, thinking here for a moment, to get them to do some construction and demonstrate our new features. We have more things in the build list. We have even better UI sorted out for most of it. And we also have electricity. We have one whole building that uses electricity to run. And we have a couple new processes and reroutes and bug fixes and a whole bunch of other shit. So for now, we're going to get our hands on some material. So we're going to need some ore and we're going to need some NGOs. So we're going to go and place down a gen station about here. And we're going to go set some TNT, which will probably be quite loud, so be warned. Yeah, just scroll away from it a little bit. And these 12 AI are demonstrating how optimized the new find orders function is. It used to be kind of laggy at first, and I totally revised it, and the way I revised it is running very clean. 12 I thought was going to lag at least a little bit, but we are running smooth as butter. I've checked my processor. You have all 12 dudes running around like chickens with their head cut off. You are costing all of 7% of your CPU if you're me, and 40 megabytes of RAM. Yeah, the code's pretty... I'm proud of it. It is running absolutely wonderfully. So now we can see that the gen station has warped in after tinging out of blue and into its normal colors. It now has a green grid around it once it finished warping in because the power's on, baby. So we're going to demonstrate some power mechanics, and we're going to add some pathing to do that. And yep, there we go. Boom. So we have a line of pathing that just lit up. They have to be connected to each other as you would expect for, conducting a current. And buildings can be used to conduct currents as well, which is something a little stranger than one might anticipate. And we're actually out of ore, so we're going to go and crack open another seam here. I'm going to order like 5 men to look at that. And that is a lot of drill noise, so I'll just back away from that slowly. Yay for 3D sound. Let's just be very loud right now. Right, and boom, there we go. So, as demonstrated, the tool node's oxygen and tool chest does not conduct electricity and does not use electricity, moreover. However, this part does to turn on the little computer. So, yeah. Ooh. We have a digging sound bug. That's fantastic. I thought I'd just fix that, but here we are with it anyways. So that's going to be in the background for the rest of everything. So I'm just going to turn off Windows Sound now. And there we are. That should no longer record that very annoying sound. I'm going to have to look into how the hell that's even happening, but it's happening. And yeah, so anyways, where were we? Right, so we have that. But now we have unlocked the ability to make the refinery. As you can see, we have ore and NGO costs listed. We can even rotate this sucker, put them in a weird angle, and it will tell us how much we need left in materials. And holy crap, they're already done. That's 12 men for you. Right, so, boom, there we go. And now it's running with electricity, and it's going to start kicking out 3 ingots of metal per 1 ore once per about every 6 in-game seconds. 3 since I'm on ×2 speed. And as you can see, the boys are just running, scooping it all up and dropping it all off at light speeds. We could add a second refinery, we could double this process, but that is a lot of manual labor needed to process it all. But the big advantage of this is once you get the refinery up and running, the costs of everything else are massively slashed. And you can basically just make a very big path to go where the hell we need to go. Get all the things done there. Boom, there's our giant level of path. The cool thing is, if I follow the path... No, it doesn't like me. Ooh, wow, you can't click on powered path. That's super good to know. And yeah, so, yeah, and just have him walk around, do whatever the hell he wants. As you notice, we have a 50% speed boost when walking over powered path, which also includes building path. And that's because paved roads are obviously a little bit easier to travel on. So we're going to see how much we can speed up our production by adding this whole path here. Although it's not the most efficient path, so that's the thing. If you notice, the men are now dropping off NGOs at the gen station instead of at the tool node. because the gen station is the proper place for it now. And it will come with some ore in just a moment here as well. And where are they going to put the ore? Well, chances are they're going to put it right here in the refinery. And here they come. Boom. And now the ore process, everything running as planned. Right, so yeah, and the electricity system works exactly as you would intend. There's not any weird stuff with things operating when they shouldn't. There's not anything with bad connections or forgetting to remove things after things get destroyed. From what I can tell so far, the system is 100% flawless, and that's exactly what I want from it. Well, I'm going to keep challenging it here for just a few more seconds. Right, that's fine. Add this, I guess? Yeah. Boom, yeah. Perfectly as intended. Anyways, that's devlog number 3 for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy America Day. Sorry, Merca Day. And until next time, WCCC signing out.